baby grew a horn out of the front of his head. And he would sit in the high chair and he'd be like, not the baby, not the baby, not the baby.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Get it, kid.
But they weren't. But they weren't.
While away like a white Peter shirt or something like that?
No.
It was dinosaurs.
No, he wore a flannel shirt.
Hey.
You know what I'm talking about? Alright, I love that show. I love that movie. Well, we have the toy that when you go to download, you get a 20, you know. Well, we have one of the toys from back when we were little, where you hold the thing and it can be like freaking, I had the movie on VHS. Okay? I can't find the movie. I'm gonna find it. If there's some way to take it from the thing to the DVD without like losing it without like, you know what I mean? Destroying the beat. Besides like with